Jason, shiny, sweet, L-O-V-E.
Do you not get the concept?
Good morning, guys. Guys, this is Monday morning. As you can hear, your girl is as sick as a dog. Somebody brought home some virus. I know your girl, I can't even talk properly. I don't like that for me. That's literally how I have to talk, and I'm not gonna lie, it's times like these that I really can appreciate, you know, being healthy or not being sick. Because when you're sick, you know, guys, it's a hell of a thing, you know. And we take for granted like our health overall sometimes. Like, I'm not gonna cap. And as it stands, I'm having a little bit of, you know, irritation in this area. Like, I feel like sand is in my throat.
Mom, can you put this back here?
And as you guys know, I am asthmatic, so this is kind of like triggering my asthma. Like, I literally am experiencing like shortness of breath, tightening of my chest, and I don't know, I don't like this for me. So I'm just going to try and monitor it and see if I need to go into the doctor or what. And as the week progresses, I'll keep you guys posted on my health. But as it stands, I'm really not gonna be doing a lot of vlogging because I'm really not feeling well. So yeah, I'm gonna take these kiddies to school. Everybody in their seatbelts. So we really need to sit up and put their seatbelts. You see, y'all don't listen. Y'all don't listen to me, right? Nobody listens to me.
Mommy, I am my seatbelt.
Alright, let's go, guys. We're early today. Yay! For the first in a long while, we're super early. Oh, and I also got some new nails. Here are the mother new nails. How cute are they? You know, I'm a pink girl, so I went with like almond Frenchies with like a little splash of pink on the tips. Like mommy's nails. What do you think about them? Like it? Thank you, Zuri.
I like it.
Cute. And see, Jamir have a little runny nose to Zuri as well. Like, no, so something is definitely going around. Alright, guys, let us go. I'm finally back home. I went to listen to the workout was killer. And this is why I hate legs day. Legs day is like the worst day you can work out. No, sir. I don't know what I'm gonna do about my voice. Well, I'm gonna make some garlic tea to help with that. And I also stopped and I got a ginger beer because I feel like I'm about to just vomit out the whole of my inside, guys. So usually the ginger beer like helps to settle my stomach. And this usually happens when I do legs day. It's like the hardest day out of all the workouts. Like, comment and let me know if you go to the gym. Comment and let me know. Like, legs day, I don't know what about it, but it's just so hard. And this is why I try to get it out of the way like on a Monday, so I don't really have to think about it like later on in the week. So I'm gonna make some ginger tea. Along with my ginger beer, I also got some eggs for like protein, because you know we still have an egg shortage, so we have to buy them in batches. We can't really get the tray of eggs to purchase anymore, guys. How unfortunate. And even sometimes when you go to buy like a dozen or so, they're like limiting you. So that's how bad it is. Also got some chicken breast because I want to make some pasta later on. Like, Jamir has been pesting me for pasta. He loves his pasta. I don't know why I'm just so high, but this young man, he may not eat anything else that I cook, but when I make pasta, he's gonna devour it. So I have that to do. I also have some alterations to do today. Valentine's Day is also coming up, so I'm looking some, you know, Valentine's colors apparel for the boys because they have red and white day at school. So all of that to take care of today. Place one clean up. I'm just over it. Honest to God, I'm over it. So over it. I'm I'm not even figure out what I'm gonna eat for breakfast yet, so that's another debacle. But guys, I'm gonna keep y'all posted with what I get up to. Like, keep me in your prayers, please. Like, just pray for your girl because this ain't cute, right? I don't know what's going on with my throat. I may have to go to the doctor, but I am monitoring it as it stands. I feel like more on vomit. Oh guys, catch it. Guys, I'm on pickup duty. Now we got popsicle. Like, I'm everyday thing this we get popsicle. And funny enough, it seems that Jameer left his water bottle in here. So that means he went the entire day without water. Hopefully master teacher for that buy my water. Hopefully I'm using money that I gave him to buy a water instead of candy, because one thing with Jameer, you know, he's gonna take the money and buy candy instead of things that he probably needs more.
Yeah, Jeremy doesn't like want to like get the thing that he didn't need.
No, you get the thing with want. Jameer prioritize wants over needs. So guys, we're gonna pick Jameer up, and then when we get home, Javi, guess what we're doing today?
Video.
Yeah, we're filming a video.
But there are gonna be two.
Maybe, depending on how you guys feel. We're gonna film a couple videos, but they'll be like fun games. So it's not like you guys will have to like memorize anything. It's just fun games. We're just gonna play games with Kisco. Sounds good?
Yeah.
And guys, if you know, we prefer to film on Monday when everybody's like energized, ready and good to go. But it seems like it's gonna rain, and we partially depend on natural lighting in most of our videos. Yes, hopefully it doesn't
Wow.
rain. So apparently they're doing some work next door.
Oh, they're scooping the mountain.
So you never want them scoop the mountain.
We could stand on it and look at the cars, and now it's gone. Yeah, we have another mountain. He didn't pick at that one. Well, he's going to great. We don't go to the next one. Yay!
So guys, we've just finished up filming. We're filming with Kisco, of course. We have all of these Kisco freezies over here. And we're playing whoever can dunk the most Kisco. So the boys were dunking Kisco for days, guys. Take your time.
Oh yeah.
Take your time. Take your time. No, that's not what I showed you to do.
I just broke it softly. You're cheating. You're cheating. Mommy, you're cheating.
I mean, no cheating. Oh my god. Jameer, I think you're disqualified.
No, I am not. You are the girl. No, I'm not. You are going.
Where we're going?
Are we both turning super? Why am I grunting like that? I'm not trying to poop.
Jump. Oh my god, Jeff, you gotta save me. How many lives do I have left?
I have 2. Get off of my hand! Now get off! Plus 5. Mommy? Mommy, do you want to do it both sides or do I got to do it? Wait.
I want you to do it, bro.
Okay. He's a rat king. Mommy, let me show you. Mommy, look, he did kick it upside down. The other hit his head. I mean, I can kick it again. He did kick it in the Mommy, look at me. Kick it in the air. Mommy, look at this. Mom, let me do the last one. Look at how well.
Trying to get some medicine. So this one says listen in Spanish this. Okay, so for bronchial condition, I think I have a bronchial condition. I have a cough mixture. Yeah, I think this is what I'm experiencing: cold, sore throat, irritation, and chest cough. So this looks like a good option. Let's see what else we can get. I also want to get some eucalyptus and some honey lemon. Excuse me, I can take these out, right? Or do you take them out? So I want like 3 of these and 3 of the honey. 2, 1 more honey. Which one is that? I took some of the honey and lemon. Which other one for cough and cold?
The
Black one. Not seeing that one. What's it called? Mango and chili. There's so many ginger sweets. I'm not seeing the black ones. What's it called? Guava and passion fruit. There's so many. so many Arctic mints. You know, I'm always scoping out the Valentine's Day stuff. These are so cute. This is a cute little sign, like if you're hosting a little Galentine's. Oh my goodness, I'm in the Valentine's Day mood now, and they have like chocolates, teddies up top. They also have some little tumblers. These are cute. Ooh, this is cute. This reminds me of a teddy that I got for Valentine's Day. It's like my first ever Valentine's teddy. Memories. This is also cute too. You know, the Galentine's. Ooh, this cup. No people, not to see the cup. Let me turn it around. I don't even want to break it, but look at this cup. It says hello sugar. Talk through this nice bud. I love it. So guys, I got the cough medicine, and well, I guess it's more than a cough medicine. It like targets like runny nose, sore throat, itchy throat, whatever. You saw it. So I'm gonna head home now and I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it works, because I'm tired of feeling like this. Like, I'm sick and tired. So I'm heading home now, and I don't know what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. Like, that's a daily struggle, trying to figure out what to eat in the mornings. And this is why I need to start meal planning. Like, that's something I want to do this year, is to meal prep. I already got some like meal prep containers and stuff like that. I just need to buy the food now to put in the containers. Help. But yeah, I'm getting my life back on track slowly but surely. You're both back on track. When was it ever off track, girl? Shut up. Let's go home. Back on track. Your girl, your life has been on track. Speaking it into being. Alrighty. Hey guys. So it is the next day and I am out and about, sick and all, but we move. I'm topping up on my vitamin C because, as you guys know, I'm a little bit under the weather, possibly the flu. So I got myself some fruits this morning, which is like the perfect addition to my diet to like help me go in again. So we're on the road and we have a couple of things to do today, guys. Like, we have 2 stops to make before we go and grab the boys. We're not getting any food. We got food at home. So last night Jason brought home island grill, but I was already making some, I don't even know how to put it. So it's fritters, but this has a bunch of stuff in it, and Javi requested it. So last night we're up cooking up a storm, and when he eventually got in with the island grill, we're like, we're belly full, brother. We are full, so we didn't want any of that, so I left it for today. So that's gonna be our lunch. And I'm not gonna lie, I love island grill jerk chicken the day after. It gives like Sunday Monday vibes. You know how Sunday Monday busting on a Monday? I think that's how the jerk chicken is, like a day old with some ketchup, pop it in the microwave. So I'm looking forward to having that when I get home. But yeah, I'm just gonna make my way to my first destination and then we'll pick up there, because as on the know, squad it out, forget me, guys. Speaking of, I still have not paid that ticket. Don't know when and if it will be paid. It's due the end of this month, essentially 2 weeks from now, and I still have not paid the ticket, guys. I cannot, right? First ticket, as I said, I did not handle it well and it not pay, so I don't even know what to do. So I am steering clear of these po-pos. So I'll catch up with you guys pretty soon. So guys, our first stop of the day is actually at the post office. I have a couple registration documents. So one is a registration, one is a renewal. As you guys know, I do offer accounting and business consultancy services. It is the small business success This, I don't know why I chose that name, and it's such a tongue twister. It's the Small Business Success Hub on Instagram, TikTok. You can find us on social media. If you're a small business owner and you need any type of business advice, how to get started, how to register your business, how to go about proper bookkeeping practices, how to file your taxes, financial statement, listen, I'm your girl, right? So I had 2 clients hit me up last week wanting to get themselves on track and get their business on track. So they went ahead and registered, and one also renewed. So I'm here to drop them off at the post office. So I'm gonna go ahead and send them via zip mail. Usually I'd use Nuts for the Express, but one of them is going to St. Thomas, and can you believe that St. Thomas does not have a Nuts for the Express branch? Come on now, guys. I should have had one when I had the KFC were there, right? Like, get with the times. So the customer had requested like zip mail, which is totally fine. So post office, it's just that it takes a little bit more time to get delivered. Okay, Knutsford can be like same day, next day type of delivery. But nonetheless, we're gonna send these off, and I'm super grateful for customers like these. Like, my customers have been like so easy to handle. Like, I have not encountered anybody who was just, sometime you're in the service sector. This is my first time offering a service. Usually I'm on the product side, so usually I make and sell or buy and sell, but it's the first time I'm offering a service, and I'm not gonna lie, I love my customers so much. They're so easy to deal with, they're so understanding, and they help me to find solutions to their problems, and I love that for me. So if you're watching this and you've supported the Small Business Success Hub, big up yourself. Shanice is really appreciative. And as I said, guys, if you need any type of services, I'm gonna list them right here. Hit me up. I'm gonna also leave my email address, my contact number. Like, y'all know how to reach me. Like, come on, just hit your girl up and support. And that is, so that's what we're gonna do now. I have everything. All right, let's go.
Put your signature right here, so read the excess, please. Yeah, just sort of arthritis and nowadays, like one time early onset now because
Look at these dresses. Oh, this red one. These are so cute. Ooh, I love that one. Like, they have so many cute dresses, and it's times like these that I wish I was a girl mom. I swear to you, love them. This is a 26. Guys, this looks small. What the largest size you have in this? 28, 30. So guys, we're in Best Buy, and the colors are out for Valentine's Day, of course. I got a red shirt for Javi. A very nice there, I got a red shirt for Javi. I got a pants as well. I was looking for a pants for Jamir, but I couldn't find any. And I'm not seeing anything that I'd like for myself. But I go and window shop and look still. Oh, them have gym wear. These are cute. So they have some cute little active sets. Them not feel sturdy though. Them have the padding and everything. The colors are nice. Them have it in like pink. So yeah, I'm going to look around and see what I can find. So guys, we are back from our little shopping escapade, and I just picked up like some little goodies. Well, other than the goodies, we got the red shirt for Javi. Couldn't find any size for Jamir, but I think he should have a red shirt at home that I'm just gonna let him wear, because I mean it's not that serious. But really and truly, I don't like red, so I rarely buy them anything red. But I got a shirt for Javi and a pants. So next I went to Woolworth and I got some Valentine things. And guys, these little fake roses. Them fake roses here bring back so many memories. So I'm putting together a little Valentine gift bag for my daughter-in-laws, of course. I don't know why I find that so funny, but Jameer's adamant that Araya, y'all know Araya needs a gift for Valentine's Day. Tell me what the little boy know about Valentine's Day. Javi's on the hunt for a girlfriend, so we still have put together for a little bag for Javi, and he's gonna find his crush, whoever it is, because sometimes I talk to Javi and him tell about a couple girls, but he's very shy. He rarely likes to speak about, like, you know, the mushy stuff. So I'm not too pressure him, but I'm not leave him out. So we got them some little roses. Also we got them chocolate. How cute are these? So this one has like a little emoji, and we have the roses. So cute. Oh my goodness. Like, I remember my little spooky days when we used to get Valentine gifts. I love that for me. I don't know if I'm getting anything this year, but you know, we move. Also in the bag we have candy, so I got them like little ring pops. You know, a little proposal might be in the words. So ring pops is going in. I also got books. So this is a little store book and a little bracelet thingy, bracelet maker. Yeah, I saw them and they were so cute. So these are all going in the goodie bags. And of course we got the goodie bags, or the Valentine's Day bag. These bags are so ugly, guys. I'm not gonna cap the bags are ugly, but they never have nothing else, so just work with it. So yeah, I'll find some other knickknacks and put in the bag. And my bill came to, where is the bill? Where the bill there? So the bill come to like $5,000. That's two little things as usual. So yeah, basically got all I needed to get done. Oh, this is the credit card receipt. Got everything I needed to get done on the road. I'm gonna hide them something here, cause I don't want them coming to the car, they must stress me out. But what is that? So I'm trying my best to like hide them. But yeah, it's around pickup time now, so I'm gonna head for Jameer first because Javi has football practice as usual. Then I go on food, you know, but guys, I'm not buying no food. I already spent $10,000 for the day, and I think that's it. I think that's a perfect daily budget. Like when you come on the road, a perfect daily budget is 10 grand, and I've reached my budget and I'm not going over it. So I'm not buying any food. As I said, we have food at home and we have stuff that we can make for them, like fries and nuggets. I'm not buying them the food. I'm just gonna pick them up now, and then we're gonna head home. Oh, the money I do. I was a newbie once, so I'm not too tough for now, but my scratchy car, mama, my scratchy Benz. I beg of you. Yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna come back for today because your girl is tired and I need some rest. So I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna rest for the rest of the day. I'm not doing anything else. So yeah, that's it. Catch y'all when I catch y'all. She doesn't see. So the boys have their little Valentine's Day gifts, right, Javier? Who are you giving? Who are you giving yours to?
Sitting in the tree.
Stop, leave him. Who are you giving yours to, Javier?
Araya.
Javier, who are you giving yours to? Javier,
Okay, wait, let me whisper.
Okay, he's whispering.
You're nothing.
He doesn't want Javier to know, so hold up the gifts. Let's see them.
Wait, I'm looking. What did he say?
Sweeter. You got lots of nice stuff in it. Happy Friday, guys! It is Friday, February the 14th, so it is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to you and your boo, your spooky, whoever. If you are a celebrator of, you know, the love season, then kudos to you. Well, I mean, I would say I celebrate Valentine's Day too. I mean, it's not a special or a big or a dramatic thing for us, but you know, and as you guys saw, I went ahead and I did a little Valentine's Day shopping the other day for the boys. So this morning they were out in their red and white for school, and they took along their little gifts for their girlfriends, or that's why I use the term girlfriend, because they're so young. But you know how it is, they look a crush. At that age, it's really nothing serious. So I was just having a conversation this morning with their dad, and I'm like, it's not that serious. Like, chances are they're not going to end up with their first girlfriend or boyfriend. So we're just treating it as, you know, a little fleeting crush. And Jameer wanted to give something to Araya. You guys know Araya. And so we did a goodie bag for Javi as well, and he gave his gift to the nicest girl in his class. So yeah. So I'm gonna grab them now, but before I do so, I wanted to hop on because I know it's going to be so chaotic once I have them. So I wanted to do a little something special later for my significant other, Mabu. We don't have any plans like that to like go anywhere or anything, but I do want to cook a little special Valentine's Day dinner for him. So of course I've been scouring TikTok, because TikTok is where I get like most of my recipes and stuff, like ideas for what to cook. TikTok provides the recipes, tutorial, everything you need to create some bomb dishes. So I'm always on TikTok looking stuff to cook, and I found this nice stuffed chicken breast recipe. It has like what's that thing with Popeye eat? Popeye the Sailor Man. It's called spinach. Yeah, I love a good spinach dip. So I want to make this chicken breast filled stuffed spinach meal, whatever, with like some potato salad, some veggies, broccoli, all them someday. So we'll see how that goes. I also want to do like a special little dessert. I don't know if I have to go do no baking it. And I also want to like decorate the house like a little cutesy, a little space just for the two of us to have our dinner later. Make sure one must listen. A Friday I try to come home early. Okay, coming out cooking vein. So yeah guys, we'll see how that goes. So I hope the boys had a good day though, delivering their little gifts. So let's go grab them and see how it went. So yeah.
Instead.
Which one?
This one as well?
Careful. Two, that's good enough. Alright, thank you.
Hey boys, how was your day?
Good! I like it, the ice cream there. It was white, but I didn't put popsicle over that.
So Jameer had ice cream, so that's all we can talk about. Did you give Araya her gift? What did she say?
Thank you.
And she liked it? Really? That's so sweet. You're such a romantic young man, right?
Yeah.
Javi, how about you? Did you give Beep your gift? I'm not calling her name. And did she like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, gonna get her more gifts next year, guys. We're gonna get your girls more gifts.
Yeah, but I didn't get one gift.
You didn't get one
I
gift?
gave
Valentine's is really for the girls, okay?
Hello, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I gave the girl the like bag with the chocolate and me the too. Ring pop
Mm-hmm.
and the one chocolate in the bag, but did I?
What happened? What happened? Yeah?
He didn't have enough to like give it to. Oh my god!
It's okay. It's for her. It's her special gift.
Everyone said that he wanted some, but he didn't have a change to because it was already finished.
Okay, so where's my gift? Nobody bought any gift for me.
Why is that? But Daddy.
Daddy's supposed to buy a gift for me?
Yeah.
What? I didn't know that. Why is he supposed to buy a gift for me?
Because we go to give our girls gift, and you gotta get Daddy gotta give you a gift. Daddy sitting in the tree, and we Jason Shiny sitting in the tree. L-O-V-E.
In love. Well, when I get home, I'll see if Daddy got me any gifts.
Okay. To prove that you're both in love and have a crush on each other.
Apparently, we're in love.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Is that one wig on?
Jesus.
Is that one wig?
Why Jamir just pull off my wig? Jamir! Yes, it is a wig. Sit your ass down. Oh my god, like these kids are so embarrassing.
That you and Daddy have a relationship, and you both have a crush on each other.
Oh, why are you happy?
Because I'm happy that you guys are gonna go on a date and date each other and kiss each other every single day and have a crush on each other and hug each other every single day.
That's so sweet.
Well, that means you guys are married, right? That means we are the baby.
Well, we're not really married yet.
Yes, yeah. I'm gonna.
You guys want us to get married and
I'm gonna
have an
make a
actual
table.
wedding?
Yes. At home.
Well, if you're watching this, Daddy, your kids want to go to a wedding, huh? Okay.
Yeah, and only when I grow old, then we're gonna make one wedding for me and Naraya.
Yay!
I'm gonna jump on the table and eat all.
Guys, that's so
At
sweet.
your wedding, I'm gonna eat all.
Javi is legit happy that his parents are together.
Well, I'm not telling you.
I love that. So now, guys, we have to go to the supermarket
I'm happy to go.
because Mommy's gonna be cooking later. So you guys coming to shop with me?
Yeah.
We need a whole bunch of stuff though. So we're gonna do that, and then I have a special surprise for you boys for Valentine's Day. I can't tell you, but you're gonna see it soon. Is it to me? You're going to see soon. Sit back, seatbelt in, Bobby. Let's go.
Dice.
First order of business is to get some potatoes.
Mommy,
Some broccoli. So they also have these little tiny strawberries. Jamir. Oh my god. $600 for 3.
Choco boy.
One is fine for both of them.
No, I don't want choco boy.
You don't want to taste the chocolate craze, what you want to
No.
try? Cover your mouth, baby. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
How is it? So this is just the regular without anything on it. How is it, Javi? Honest opinion. How is it, Jamir? Stop that. How is it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Alright, so that one is good. Javi, how about you?
I don't think I want to smell though.
Go. Push. It says push.
Are we reaching out and tell somebody
Yes,
that
go,
you're in
baby.
love with somebody that
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, you're less people in there.
We're not staying though.
Now, isn't this your day come true?
What?
Is this your day come true?
What do you mean by that? My day come true? What does that mean? So we got the boys.
That you
their
could go in love with
pizza,
Dad. Oh, pepper. No. Wait.
Pepperoni. Hold on, let me take it off here. Potatoes, we got some broccoli, some spinach, eggs, cream cheese, a bag of cheeses, some butter. We're about to get started.
Hi guys, and welcome to Chefing It Up with Shanz. On tonight's menu we have a Valentine special for my special guy. So we're making some stuffed chicken breast, and I actually got this recipe from TikTok as I mentioned. So I've already gone ahead and prepped my chicken breast. They're well seasoned, and I also went and blanched my spinach. So now I'm actually making the stuffing, which consists of like cream cheese, the spinach, a lot of sharp cheddar, just seasoning it up to my liking, adding some complete seasoned chicken season, black pepper, paprika, you name it, it's in this dish. Okay, and this part is gonna take some arm work, okay ladies? So I'm going ahead and I'm going to combine everything that I just added to my cream cheese. I'm not really focused on getting like a super smooth consistency. I just want to ensure that everything is evenly distributed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stuff my chicken breast. Like, this was very messy. Nobody warned me about how messy this part would be, but I think I managed it pretty well. I just used a spoon and I did my best in trying to ensure that the stuffing actually went inside the chicken breast and it wasn't really falling out. But later on, you guys are gonna see that all of this mess is gonna just spill out anyways. It's cheese, okay? I'm gonna secure this with some toothpicks, and yeah, it did a pretty good job in holding the chicken breast together, but not good enough. After which, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sear my chicken breast first before I pop it in the oven, because I do want it to have like a crispy finish. I'm not a fan of chicken breast, if I'm being honest, and I love when it's not too dry but it's not too soggy. And personally, I like my things burnt or well done, very crispy. That's just a preference of mine. But please keep your fire at a medium to low heat. Don't be like Shanice and buckets, okay? Next, I'm moving on to my potatoes. I'll be just cutting these into like small cubes. The smaller the better, because the faster it cooks through. And I'm also gonna cut up the broccoli. And not a fan of broccoli. To me, it's just very tasteless. It doesn't serve any purpose in my book, but you know, we're doing it for the aesthetics. Well, he likes it. He loves veggies. So this is how the chicken is looking after it's seared. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven. Don't ask me for how long, just until it looks good and looks how I want it and how my man likes it. But about 350 to 400 degrees, guys. Also, I picked up the strawberries. Yes, the expensive 600 of a tree strawberry. I think I found a pack with like 4 for like 800 or 650. And while my chicken was in the oven, your girl went ahead and I did a little cute wall decor. And these are the lights from Christmas, guys. I think it turned out cute. Let me know what you guys think. He also brought me home some roses and I added it to the table. And once that was done with, I went ahead and I plated dinner, looking absolutely delicious and tasting even better.
Wait, mommy, you're saying that do.
What's it at 8?
After he embraces and played the saxophone for the march band, no one would invite him to the winter farewell.
And I will prescribe red name for your skin.
Hi guys, so it is the next day and we're actually on the road at one of the boys' friend's birthday party. So Anissa turned 6 today, so we're here and the boys are bouncing all about. But I just realized that I did not pop in and give you guys a little update in regards to how our day is going. It's about 4 o'clock in the evening now, so it's pretty late. I was cleaning all morning. I went to bed pretty late last night. As you guys saw, we had our little, you know, Valentine's date night dinner slash, well, it wasn't really a dinner, you know. Okay, it's kind of called a dinner, but the boys like literally crashed our little date night. Like, have kids, they said. Okay, so that was a very cutesy, very fun, and I can recall doing something like this like a couple years ago, I think, like back when we were in our early stages of like dating. And then I think I did it once again when we like moved in together, when we were living together. But since then I didn't really have the time to like go about planning these little cutesy inside dates. We usually go outside, but this year I was like, you know, we're going back to our roots, so I'm gonna plan something, you know, small, intimate. And I made dinner. I cooked for him, which he loved, by the way. And yeah, we just stayed in and chill. We watched Valentine's Day, guys. Suppose we're telling us I'm gonna drop asleep halfway in the movie, or even less than halfway, because it was about like 10:30 there about, and I was so tired. So we have plans to go and finish it up back when we get home, so we'll see about that. So yeah, as it stands, we're at the birthday party. Kids are in the bounce about, they're having so much fun as usual. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and enjoy the festivities, see how it's going, and then, you know, keep you guys posted. I think this is where I'm gonna end this week's vlog, of course, because tomorrow is Sunday and I don't think I'll be vlogging tomorrow, so I'd love to cut out here. So yeah guys, I appreciate you watching thus far. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this vlog, bits and pieces here and there, and it might seem chaotic, guys, but just bear with your girl. So yeah, let's get into the festivities of the day.
Mommy,
Jamir, that's cheating. Try again.
Too hot. Too hot, too hot. Right foot, let's stop.
Go back. One tap this time. 2 hops.
Too hot, too hot. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all.
Back, back, back. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Never got
Guys, we've made it home safely. Yes, my love.
I thought when the Christmas vlog.
We vlog every day, so we're home safely, guys. How was the party?
Good.
Javi okay around there? The boys had so much fun. They're bouncing their lives away. So we're home now.
We have goodie bag and here down.
Yeah, I'm excited for opening them goodie bags. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog, or this week's vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it, right?
Yes.
You can't be fighting the subscribers. You don't want them to subscribe and come back every week, right? You have to be nice to them. So we're gonna blow them some kisses. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you.
Bye.
Peace. Bye. Javi, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.